Hi, and thanks for joining me on onsider.com that you see right here in the background. In this video, I will show you why OnSider is completely free, but I will also, of course, show you what OnSider can do for you. So I will just open a one-pager about OnSider here. And the core about OnSider is that you can be as many users as you want from your organization. And then in what we call the preferred vendor functionality, this means that you, from a central point of view, can create the preferred vendors that you normally work with. Could, for instance, be the preferred vendors you have frameworks agreements with. And then whenever a user from your organization has a need for an external consultant, then they simply make a request in OnSider following a template so they get all the information down that the vendors they always need. And then they can select among the list of preferred vendors and send it out. And then the preferred vendors bid in a structured and uniform way. And this ensures that you activate your preferred vendors every time there is a need in the organization, and you get maximum competition for each request that you have. There's also a lot of other functionality in OnSider. There's time reporting, meaning that the consultants, they can report time that is approved on a monthly basis by the hiring manager. You have full visibility across the organization, so you can see reports of time and cost, etc. And then we have this, what we call the vendor universe, which is completely unique functionality that you can use for free. And it's basically like a mini Google for providers of external workforce, where you can do keyword searches. So let's say you are going to do a project implementing a certain module for an ERP system. Then you can do a search for that. And then you get all the vendors that work with that module, and you can contact them the way you like. There's also the marketplace here. The marketplace is the biggest IT consultant marketplace in the Nordics. We have about 10,000 consultants on. So when you make a request, then you can choose to publish it on the marketplace, and then you get bids from the consultants on the marketplace. And then to the question from the ad, why is OnSider free? OnSider is free because it's owned by Right People Group, and Right People Group can also bid into your request, but we only earn any profits if we actually have the best consultant and we win the assignment. So that means that instead of hiring expensive salespeople, we have basically chosen to develop this platform that you can use for free, and then we can bid on the request. That means that there's no hidden fees whatsoever for you, and there's also no fees whatsoever from the preferred vendors you have, and you make direct contracts with those. So let me quickly try to show you the platform here. So you can go up here to vendors. This is where you create the groups of preferred vendors you have, and you can put in the exact vendors you want in those groups. And when you have a need for a consultant, then you simply go here. Let's say you want to hire a Java developer. We make a project description and put in the required skills here. Let's say, and here's all the practical information. This is what it takes to publish a request on OnSider. And then you simply go here to the shared repository of preferred vendors. You can just choose to mark all the groups. You can also go in and say, we don't want to send to those. Then you create a message. You can edit that also. You review, does it look all right? And then you send. So now your preferred vendors get a link and they bid in their consultants, meaning that you receive every consultant in a structured way with, for instance, when can they start, what is their price, and all the other information that you need up front. So that's how OnSider works. If you want more information, you can click on the link below, but you're also very welcome to contact me directly using the contact info I have right here. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.